Now it starts. Starting on door panel pod. Here's the drawing. It's upside down. In the 2008 to 2010, the F-250 has this pod, which is separate from the door panel. Big pain in the ass to get it off. Lots of melted rivets, I guess you'd call them. I'm going to copy this into a piece of birch, so then I'll have a base. All the rest of them will be half-inch MDF, because they'll give me more ability to stack and easier sanding. Well, that's what I'm doing right now, and I'll keep you guys running. So we got a base shape. Gotta gouge that out a little bit because everything doesn't fit right. Screwed up this door panel with the grinder, which is stupid. I should have used the body saw, but it's typical of me, no patience. So I gotta get some offset bearings from Mobile Solutions. I'm probably going to fiberglass this one up where I got the goof and a goof here. And I use a Bondo fiberglass, fill that, sand it up, make it clean, clean her up all the way around. Get it to where it's nice, good template, and then start working off of it. So now, stack them. Since I've screwed this thing up, and I hate this part of the door panel, so I'm gonna sand all this down. Fill it with Rage Gold or something, get it cleared up, and then wrap the door with vinyl. Be a pain in the ass here and here, but I can still do it. I'll have to take that back panel off, figure out how to put it back on, because it's a pain in the ass to take off. We'll wrap the door panel. That's a hard spot, and the pods will be wrapped in a contrasting color, whatever that darker gray instead of this lighter gray. Started rebuilding my door panels. I've changed my mind yet again. I was going to do this and do a stack build. Then I changed my mind and was going to fiberglass cover that and then build off of that. I've redone it and I'm going to do it in a stack build. I've got all my bearings and everything, so I can taper this side up slowly, taper this side up. It'll come up, it'll be about 3 inches tall. I'll be able to sink my speakers in, create a grill. Should be a pain in the fucking ass, but I like doing this dumb shit. Well, 5 more pieces and this one will be done. But I've got to cut the other one so I'm building both doors at the same time so I don't get lost. Because I'll get lost. Got this cut. I oversized it compared to this one so that we could bolt it to the door and then slide it through and then put a little bolt right here. That thing's angry. So, 1.5 inches, one time. That's pretty sweet. Dust everywhere. This is 5 pieces. I have one more piece I gotta do that'll stay solid, and then a top piece which will be prettiness, trim piece. Trying to figure out how to do that so that I can put a grill on it. I don't know. Trying to make it pretty. Getting there.